Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Qlip English, your cozy place to listen, repeat, and speak English with confidence.
And I'm Michael. Hi, Olivia.
Hey, Michael. You look very focused today. Were you practicing something before we started?
I was. I listened to one short English sentence, repeated it, and then changed it to talk about my life.
Let me guess. Were you studying a long grammar rule?
Not today. I was training my ears and my mouth together.
That is perfect timing.
Exactly. Today we are doing slow English listening and shadowing practice for A1 and A2 learners.
You will hear useful sentences about a normal day. First, we say each sentence slowly. Then, we say it at normal speed. After that, it is your turn.
We call this the listen, repeat, use method.
Listen to the sentence. Repeat the sentence. Then use the same pattern to talk about your own life.
Take one slow breath.
Let your shoulders relax.
And let us begin with your morning.
Sentence 1. Slowly. I wake up at 7 every morning.
Normal speed. I wake up at 7 every morning.
Your turn. I wake up at 7 every morning.
Good. The pattern is I wake up at plus a time.
You can say, I wake up at 6 or I wake up at 8.
Now use your real time. I wake up at...
Excellent. Sentence 2. Slowly. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Normal speed. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Your turn. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Sentence 3. Slowly. I make a simple breakfast in the kitchen.
Normal speed. I make a simple breakfast in the kitchen.
Your turn. I make a simple breakfast in the kitchen.
Change one word. I make coffee in the kitchen.
Your turn. I make coffee in the kitchen.
Good. Sentence 4. Slowly. I usually check my phone after breakfast.
Normal speed. I usually check my phone after breakfast.
Your turn. I usually check my phone after breakfast.
Very nice. You have already spoken about your morning.
Now let us leave home.
Sentence 5. Slowly. I leave home at about 8:30.
Normal speed. I leave home at about 8:30.
Your turn. I leave home at about 8:30.
About means the time is not exact.
Now say your real time. I leave home at about...
Sentence 6. Slowly. I take the bus to work.
Normal speed. I take the bus to work.
Your turn. I take the bus to work.
Sentence 7. Slowly. The journey takes about 20 minutes.
Normal speed. The journey takes about 20 minutes.
Your turn. The journey takes about 20 minutes. Sentence 8. Slowly. I listen to English on the way.
Normal speed. I listen to English on the way.
Your turn. I listen to English on the way.
And right now, you really are listening to English.
That means this sentence can become part of your daily life.
Let us repeat those travel sentences once at normal speed.
I leave home at about 8:30.
I take the bus to work.
The journey takes about 20 minutes.
I listen to English on the way.
Great work. Keep your voice moving, even if you miss one word.
Now we will practice English for work or study.
Sentence 9. Slowly. I have a lot to do today.
Normal speed. I have a lot to do today.
Your turn. I have a lot to do today. Sentence 10. Slowly. I need to finish this before lunch.
Normal speed. I need to finish this before lunch.
Your turn. I need to finish this before lunch.
I need to is a powerful daily pattern.
Try. I need to send a message.
Your turn. I need to send a message.
Now say one real thing. I need to...
Well done. Sentence 11. Slowly. Could you help me with this?
Normal speed. Could you help me with this?
Your turn. Could you help me with this?
This is a polite, natural way to ask for help.
Let your voice rise gently at the end. Could you help me with this?
Your turn.
Sentence 12. Slowly. I'm not sure, but I can check.
Normal speed. I'm not sure, but I can check.
Your turn. I'm not sure, but I can check.
this sentence helps you sound honest and helpful.
You do not need to know every answer. You only need a calm way to respond.
Let us take a quick confidence check.
You have practiced 12 complete sentences.
They don't need to sound perfect today.
The goal is movement. Listen, repeat, and use.
Now, let us practice a short social conversation.
Sentence 13. Slowly. How has your day been so far?
Normal speed. How has your day been so far?
Your turn. How has your day been so far?
Here's an easy answer. It has been good so far.
Your turn. It has been good so far.
Or say, it has been a little busy.
Your turn. It has been a little busy.
Sentence 14. Slowly. Would you like to have some coffee?
Normal speed. Would you like to have some coffee?
Your turn. Would you like to have some coffee?
A positive answer is, yes, that would be nice.
Your turn. Yes, that would be nice.
Very good. You asked a friendly question and practiced 2 possible answers.
Now we are at the end of the day.
Sentence 15. Slowly. I like to relax for a little while.
Normal speed. I like to relax for a little while.
Your turn. I like to relax for a little while.
Sentence 16. Slowly. A little practice every day makes a difference.
Normal speed. A little practice every day makes a difference.
Your turn. A little practice every day makes a difference. Say it again with confidence.
A little practice every day makes a difference.
Your turn.
That is our final sentence and our message for today.
Now we will do one last shadowing round.
Follow our voices as closely as you can. Don't stop if you make a mistake.
I wake up at 7 every morning.
I wash my face and brush my teeth.
I make a simple breakfast in the kitchen.
I usually check my phone after breakfast.
I leave home at about 8:30.
I take the bus to work.
The journey takes about 20 minutes.
I listen to English on the way.
I have a lot to do today.
I need to finish this before lunch.
I need to finish this before lunch.
Could you help me with this?
I'm not sure, but I can check.
How has your day been so far?
Would you like to have some coffee?
I like to relax for a little while.
A little practice every day makes a difference.
Excellent work. You listened, repeated, and spoke 16 useful English sentences.
Choose 5 sentences that match your life and repeat them again tonight.
Then return tomorrow and shadow this episode one more time. The second time will feel easier.
If this practice helped you, like the video and subscribe to Qlip English. It helps more beginner learners find us.
And continue with our next video, Slow to Fast English Train Your Ear. It will help you understand everyday English at different speeds.
Until then, keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking.
Thank you for practicing with us today. We will see you in the next Qlip English episode.
Bye for now, everyone.